Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Facebook catalog for your WooCommerce store with a free plugin. Let's get started. In order to do this, we need to head over right here to our plugin marketplace on WordPress. Click on this search bar right here and search in here for CTX feed. Once you have searched for that, you should be able to see in here some search results related. You can see this CTX feed by Web Apex, so click on that. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see this install and activate. So click on this right here in order to install and activate this particular plugin. So as you can see, it's been installed. So click on this right here in order to manage this plugin. As you can see right here, it's been activated. And when you scroll down to the very bottom of your left sidebar, you can see in here this CTX feed. So let's head over and click on this manage feeds right here under the CTX feed. And then from in there, we should be able to see the dashboard of that specific plugin. You can see it right here. So let's click on this create your first product feed. Let's click on this new feed. And then it will allow us to make our feed right here. So we have in here this, so you can select your country right here from their list. You can also select the template and the likes, but first let's wait for this to finish loading. So in here, let's click on select templates. And for this one, let's choose in here Facebook catalog / Instagram. So click on it. And then you can put in here the file name. So the file name should be unique. So for example, let's put in here FB catalog 123. And then from there, you can choose a file type and also the variation. So from in there, just select everything and click on this update and generate feed. Now you should be able to see this, and as you can see, the generated feed URL has been added. So let's head over and open this link that they have generated for us, and you can see in here the CSV. Now on Facebook, let's create the page. Let's choose in here this public page and click on next. And then from here, click on get started. And then let's head over and just name it. So for example, for me, I'll just name this right here. And then on the category, you can choose e-commerce. So let's search in here for e-commerce, so you can actually add that from in there as well. And then once you have added that, just head over right here to your bio, and you can also do so as well. And you can also put in here retail if you want to. Now I have created the page. Now on this page that I have, I just need to click on this manage option right here. And then manage my store that I have created and paste. You can also see in here this Meta Business Suite that will help you manage all of this. And then from in there, just head over and then upload the product catalog that we have made from WooCommerce to your Facebook. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because that will reach more people. See you soon.